Welcome to my channel, The Baking Diva. Well, I have a question for you. Can you lose weight and still eat cake? Well, stay tuned and I'll let you know. It's so good to see all of you, and a great big welcome to all my new subscribers. Well, I have a special announcement for you today. I'm going to be switching up my channel just a little bit, not much. What I've decided to do is sort of divide up my recipes a little bit into two groups. They'll all be on one channel, but I want to please all my subscribers. So I'll be making my regular recipes that are sweet and yummy and delicious for those that want to see all of those desserts, sort of those that like to eat a little bit of everything. But then I have another group that is more interested in low carb or Weight Watcher recipes, whether it would be for health reasons or for losing weight. And that group would be sort of the I guess you could say the Watch What I Eat group. Watch, W, what, W for Weight Watchers. And I thought I'd let you know this because you might be seeing a lot more low carb and Weight Watcher friendly recipes on my channel. I'll still be the same channel, but I don't want you to think I went 100% Weight Watchers. I'm just trying to please everyone. And you will be seeing a lot of those recipes. And one of the other reasons is because recently I had blood work done and some of my levels were a little elevated, and I'm trying for my own benefit to get them down. So I've been eating some more Weight Watcher desserts and low carb desserts, and I've never been heavy, so I don't really need to lose a lot of weight. But if I can lose 10 pounds and at the same time be eating healthier, well, that's a good thing, right? So anyway, I hope everybody's good with that, and just trying to make everybody happy, but I'm still me, and it's still the same channel, but you will see a lot more of the Weight Watcher and the low carb recipes. So today, I'm going to make for you a 1-point muffin, and it's a deep, rich chocolate muffin. Best of all, only 1 point. So we'll be making that today. And the video I had on before this one was for a different 1-point Weight Watcher muffin. So if you haven't seen that, I'll put that down below in the description box for you. So okay, enough blabbing. What do you say we get started? Let's get started. So I preheated my oven to 350 degrees. So I have a bowl in front of me here. So I'm using today the Kodiak protein baking mix, and this happens to be the dark chocolate flavored one, and it has 14 grams of protein per serving. It's made with 100% whole grain. There's many varieties of this Kodiak mix, and I have several of them, and I just love them. Okay. So I'm going to use the Kodiak mix, but before we do that, we need bananas. So I have 2 bananas here. These are not real ripe. I would say if you can use a little bananas that are a little more ripe than this, they'll be sweeter. But this is what I have, so this is what I'm going to use. So I'm going to put 2 bananas, whoopsie, in my bowl, and with a fork, I'm going to mash these up. You don't need a mixer for this. Just use a regular fork or whatever works for you and start mashing the bananas. So let me mash all of these off camera for you, and I'll be back and we'll continue on. Don't go away. Okay, I zoomed in on the bowl, and as you can see, all the bananas are mashed up. If there's a few little lumps in there, don't worry about it. It's fine. Okay, now, to these bananas, I am going to add, it's good, I'm going to add some unsweetened applesauce, a 1/2 cup. actually, these are what I bought. I bought a little pack of these. Can you see them? I happen to have been in Trader Joe's, but you can get them anywhere. And actually, this comes out to a half a cup. So I got a little set of these. And I'm also going to add to that 2 eggs. Here we go. And I have a whisk, and I'm just going to whisk all of this together till it's all incorporated. You don't even need an electric mixer for this. See this? Okay. If you haven't seen my last video, I made a different type of 1-point Weight Watcher muffin. I'll link that below in case you want to see that. But they were delicious, very good. Okay, get this a little bit more incorporated. I have to tell you, since I did start lightening up and low carbing my meals and my desserts, I have lost weight already. Now, I've never been obese. I mean, the most I really wanted to lose was maybe 10 pounds or so, but I really am doing it for health reasons. So these desserts certainly help you stay with it and keep you satisfied so you don't feel deprived. Okay, this looks like it's pretty well combined. Okay, now to this, I'm going to add my dry ingredients. I'm going to add 1 cup of the dark chocolate Kodiak baking mix. Going to add 1 teaspoon of unsweetened cocoa powder. Two tablespoons of PB2. And if you don't know what PB2 is, it's the powdered peanut butter. Tastes just like regular peanut butter, but it's lower in fat and calories, and it's delicious. And lastly, I'm going to add to this 2 teaspoons of baking powder. So let me incorporate all of this together. Now, you will need a 12-well cupcake tin because this does yield 12 cupcakes that are 1 point each. Now, how can you beat that? With the last muffins I made, I put them in little Ziploc bags, 2 in each one, and I froze them. And in the morning, if I should want one of them with my my coffee or tea, I just take them out, I wrap them in a paper towel, put them in the microwave for, I don't know, however long it takes. It could take 30 seconds, it could take a minute if you're doing 2 of them, and they end up tasting just like you took them out of the oven. They're a nice sweet treat at any time you're in the mood. So let me get this all mixed, and then I'm going to get my cupcake tin, and we're going to fill it up with this. So I'll be right back. So that looks good to me. This is the consistency that you want it. Now, I have lined my cupcake tin with silicone liners. You don't have to use silicone, but if you're just not going to use any liners, make sure you spray your cupcake tin with non-stick spray. Or you can use paper liners, but I like the silicone liners because nothing sticks to them. They're easy to clean off, and you don't waste any delicious of the cupcakes in there. Alrighty, so let me move this over. I'm going to use a ice cream scoop. I think that works the best. So let me start scooping it out in here. Hopefully you can see this. 1 scoop is good for about 1 cupcake. If you put more in, your cupcakes will be higher, but as I'm making them now, they are 1 point cupcakes. Here we go. Perfect. So I'm going to fill these off camera I'm going to put them in my 350-degree oven for 12 to 17 minutes. You want to check the middle, with a toothpick and make sure that they are all cooked. I mean, I would check them at the 12-minute point because all ovens are different, and then you can continue to check them from there. And then as soon as they're done, I'll be back and we will taste test these little babies. So I'll see you soon on the other side. All right, look at these beauties. Oh, they look delicious. And I have them in my pretty colored silicone cupcake liners. So what do you say now we do a taste testing? So I have one here, and I just love these silicone liners. Look it, they fall right out, and what I like best is there's never anything left in the liner, so you don't lose any of the cupcake. So I'm gonna cut this in half. They're still warm. Oh yeah, yum, yum, yum. Look at that, nice and chocolatey. Okay, So I'm gonna do a little taste testing now. So, let me see what I think. They're chocolatey. There's a slight flavor of the banana, not as much. I put that little bit of PB2 powder in there, but I don't know. I'm not getting a peanut butter flavor at all. But I will tell you they're delicious and a perfect sweet treat. If you want, it's up to you. You can cut this in half, put it on a dish. You could put a little bit of the fat-free Cool Whip on top of it, whatever you want. And you have a nice little dessert for yourself. And Weight Watcher friendly, 1 point. So anyway, I want to thank you all for stopping by. I appreciate each and every one of you. Love you. I'll try to have more of these yummy Weight Watcher desserts coming your way. And I hope to see you soon. And if you haven't already subscribed and you want to see more of these recipes coming up, also some great Thanksgiving and Christmas recipes, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and that's it. So I will see you all very soon. Love you. Gonna eat my muffin. Toodles!